Yo, it's your boy T Studio X and one and only, and today I'll be doing a fire alarm review on my channel. So I will be killing the intro. Today I'm going to be doing a fire alarm review. I'm going to be doing like at least my fire alarm review. So first I'm going to start with the panel and then the Pullstation. I got two of them. And I got 4 fire alarm devices. 2 of them are from Wheelock and 2 of them are from System Sensor. So today, I'll be starting with my addressable panel. AutoPulse Ansul, AutoPulse IQ301, analog addressable releasing and fire alarm system. So that's the cover of it. This is my Ansul AutoPulse IQ 301, and this is the addressable fire alarm panel. So it came with the Notifier key, as you can see here. As you can see, that's the Notifier logo on the key. So I bought this off of Facebook for $60, so it was a pretty good deal. And this is the model of it. The model of it is a IQ 301R, because R stands for releasing. And this is the interface. This is the interface of it. This is the keypad of it. So the keypad looks similar to the AFP 200. So basically, it's a notifier, because like I mentioned a while ago, it came with this panel came with the notifier key, and so I'm just gonna plug it in. AFP 2000 release 2.2. As you can see here, I know the panel's in trouble because it doesn't have any batteries. So hopefully I get the batteries soon. It would show the date. It's 4:51 p.m. Thursday, November 19, 2020. So I got this on the 5th of November. So my panel was beeping because it was in trouble. As you see the amber light, it will say system trouble. I'm pretty sure this is made in 1996, so I bought this from Facebook, and it came from Buffalo, New York. And it was $60. But with the shipping fee, it cost me at least $84.18, at least, because of the shipping fee. So that was the grand total of it. So these are the buttons, your alphanumeric buttons. This is your LCD screen, which has got a backlight with a 3-foot cord. I bought it separately from Horn Strobe from a local hardware store. These are your cursor buttons, as you see, like 4 triangles, up, down, and on the sides, like left and right. And this is your acknowledge. There's your 4 buttons on the right. Acknowledge, /step, alarm, silence, drill. You hold it in for 2 seconds. And system reset, it will reset your system. So and pretty much when you push the button like that, all the lights come on, and then the screen will be in segments. It's called a lamp test. So it came with the battery harness. So this is your reset. Here's are your terminals. The second one that has 4 resistors on it. The 4 end of line resistors. I got 2 necks plugged in right now. I got speaker wires for it. So this is your NAC circuits. This comes with 4 NACs. On the far right, that's your SLC, the signaling line circuit. This right here, this is your supervisory, alarm, and trouble. Terminal block. So that's terminal block number 3. And on your first terminal block, I think it's your resettable power and non-resettable power. And I know this one's missing 2 terminal blocks, 4 and 5, excuse me. This is the 6th one. This is so when I take those off, so right behind the terminal blocks, it would have a label right behind it. So basically, as I see here, so the panel, I know it didn't come with the address panel, but it was used. It came from the recycling plant. So I know it says no connected. It says no devices installed. I know that. So that was like the review of my Ansul AutoPulse IQ301R, because it says it inside the panel. And oh yeah, this has got like a walk test feature on here too. You can disable on the screen, as you see here, disable or enable to what you be sensors, detectors, and other components, clear verification history in the number 4 slot, Number 5, you can set the date and time. And number 6 is the walk test. But I want to figure how I'm going to program this stuff when I get more devices. So I'm just going to close my panel and lock it with the same key. So this is my Uphold HC102. I already know I done the video of it. So I bought that from Amazon. This right here, this is my Notifier BGX-10-1L. Because it's an addressable, because it has the addressable module in the back. Basically, it's the monitor module. So I'm using the same key that goes to my panel. It works. All there is just a button in it. And there's the actual model, Notifier BGX-10-1L. And it's a non-coded, it's spring-loaded. There's the lock here. And the reason why it has the letter L in it, because I think it has that word L in it. I mean, lock on it. So I'm just gonna leave my key in there for now. So right now, I'm just gonna do my NACs. Oh yeah, so I bought this from eBay. I know it looks similar to the BG10, the Firelight BG10, BG10LX, and this is also this is basically an NBG10L, but this is a BGX-10-1L, which is pretty awesome. Pretty awesome Pullstation. So I bought this, I think it was like $20 or so. Okay, moving on to my notification appliances. So this is my system sensor mass 12, this is my system sensor mass 24, which means it's 24 volts, 1575 ADA, because the strobe lens, as you can see here, it's horizontal and it's clear. So the MA, system sensor MA, which would be the sounder, not a horn, it's a sounder, and the strobe, which would be the SS of it, but this is a horizontal one. I love these things. And it's got 8 different tones and stuff like that. And it can't, oh yeah, this is new in box. So I bought this new in box. They came with the terminal screws as well, and the 1 resistor thing. Came with the manual that goes with it. And then I'm gonna this is the system sensor. System sensor 1575 ADA, which is the strobe version of the mass, but it's the system sensor mass. the strobe only version, and it's the ADA because the lenses are clear. It's a pretty awesome strobe, and the sound of the strobe. Then the next one, this is my Wheelock EH-DL1-WM-24. I like the strobe. It is a 117 candela strobe, and it's a 4-wire device. As you can see here, it's got 4 terminals, 2 for the strobes. It's 2 for the strobe and 2 for the horn. Remember, this is the horn strobe. And this is a Wheelock WM-24. That'll be the strobe only. It only has 2 wires because that's only a strobe only. Basically, it's like a metal plate that they slap the strobe on there. These are pretty rare and stuff like that. I've never seen anything like this in real life. This is the WMT. This is a WMT-24 117 candela. So my sounder strobe and the strobe for system sensor, that's a 1575. 1575. It says on the bottom part of the strobe, the lens, and the top. It's a fixed 1575 candela strobes on my sounder strobe and my system sensor mask strobe only. And both of these Wheelock alarms, this one's got a vertical strobe, as you can see here. Vertical strobes. It flashes 117 candela. It's a fixed 117 candela, 117 candela. And this one has the horizontal strobes. So this is pretty good start out, and the wires I'm using are the speaker wires. So that would be it for the video. Before I hit that limiter thing, I'm going to be testing the strobes. So the one on the right flashes pretty fast, and this one, the one with the vertical strobe, that would be the WMT-24, will flash a little bit slowly, as you can see here. So I push the drill button, it says manual evac, and I resetted it. The strobes will stop flashing. Well, I think that's it for the video. Make sure you hit that red button and bell, and make sure you leave a genuine comment to the video, and make sure you show some love and share out the video, and leave a genuine comment and stuff like that. If you want to be part of the T Studio fam, and this is the video which I will be dropping to the fire alarm section of my channel. So hopefully want to learn how to program this thing. Hopefully I'll be getting smoke detectors from my system. So hopefully we'll do that. So this is your boy T Studio X. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button and share it out. And loving each and every one of you. This is your boy T Studio X signing out.